Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, and the very next day, you gave it away. So, this Christmas, I'm giving you discounts. Let's go to Divine Mercy Paint and Hardware, a one stop shop for all your paint solutions. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Goa Shopping Guide. Today, we are here in Mapsa, very close to St. Jerome's Church. This is the old Argelo Hospital, and here is Undertaker by Jerry D'Souza. Right besides it, we have his wife who's opened a new store of Divine Mercy Paint and Hardware. Come, we'll talk to ma'am and see what offers we can get here. And here we are with ma'am. She's going to tell us of all the products they have and all the discounts they'll be giving, especially to you all because of me.
Hello Clive,
Hello,
good
ma'am.
evening.
Good evening.
You are welcome to the Divine Mercy Hardware and Paint Shop.
Thank you. So when is the inauguration?
Inauguration will be in another 2 days.
In a few days? Okay.
Yeah. This is one-stop shop for all the paints and hardware. You are going to get all colorful paints under one roof. My co-worker is going to explain you everything about the paints.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
Okay, we have got the Aquatech, the brand, where we have done the waterproofing.
On
The
this?
net, yeah, the net. It is a net over there, and you can see this particular brand. It's a shield, like it does not put water seepages. So it's a
Okay.
very good product. It's called Aquatech from Dulex. A wide range of colors we have on the palette. You can see the range. All these colors are available over here, as we have the color mixing machine.
Okay.
And this particular product is the red oxidize primer, which is used for metal. The yellow zinc primer, also used for metal. And with oil based paint enamel, we've got wide colors range from matte to glossy finish. The synthetic varnish, which is used for wood varnish. And we've got the wood primer also. Basically, we've got all the brands for your painting needs. Coming for interiors and exteriors, for interiors we have got the Velvet Touch and the Smart Promise Choice. Also for exteriors, we have got your needs catered to, where we've got the Weather Shield. It protects from dust. It is a premium product which can be applied on the bricks, stones, compounds, even on your roof ceiling of metal. So here we've got a wide range of spray paints, where we have got in matte finish and gloss. All the colors are available. We've got thinners, turpentines, chemicals for cleaning your floors, flooring coatings, bonding agents, and also the paint, and also the painting tools, brushes from 1 inch to 4 inch, and rollers from 1 inch roller to 9 inch roller also we've got. We also have a wide range of primers, putties, adhesive, chuna, whitewash, chalk powder, bonding agents, and floor coatings. This is a color tinting machine that we have got in the store. So
Does it come out from here?
yeah, it comes out from there, and whichever color you want, we can give it to you on the spot.
Okay. So the
Just a matter of 10 minutes.
So the tinting is done here.
Tinting is done there, and then the mixing is done over there.
Okay. So as we see this wide range of collection you have, can you please explain to us about the discounts you'll be giving us?
Yeah, the discounts which are going on till January 3rd are that anyone who shops above 2000 will get a 10% discount, and also will get a 4-inch roller or a 2-inch brush free.
So So you're telling me we'll either get like a 4-inch roller or 2-inch brush.
Yes.
Free. Okay, that sounds great. So I guess I'll be seeing y'all in the next one.